Hey Josh, you want to show these guys how to make your turbo flutter?
No.
No.
Come here.
I'm painting.
Nobody cares. We got 1.8 twin turbos here.
We got one turbo, one T turbo.
Single T.
Do you know how it flutters, Josh?
Yeah, it just eats the air.
No, yeah, no.
No. So these are door stoppers.
They are door stoppers.
These are hose clamps.
You can get 4 of these door stoppers for how much? Was it $4?
Yeah, $4 or $5.
For all 4, but you only need 2. This diverter valve is supposed to go into your intake,
But it doesn't.
but we
blocked it off.
yeah, we blocked it. We cock blocked it. The major cock block.
Alright.
Now we took a piece of PVC pipe that was approximately 50 cents, 4 hose clamps. Now
No, it
she sounds like this. She spools, flutters.
So you only need 3 hose clamps?
Yeah, 3 hose clamps.
Because you need the PVC. You forgot the PVC pipe.
I just said how much it was.
No, but you didn't say the PVC.
I said PVC pipe, didn't I just say it? Yeah, I said it, right?
Alright, he did say it.
I did says it.
So 3 hose clamps, 2 door stoppers, and then a whole piece of PVC piping. And what size was the PVC?
I don't know what the size was, but you just gotta.
How are you supposed to make a video
It depends on the size of the turbo. It don't matter.
It's not even hooked up to the turbo.
Look at it. It's approximately. Let's say the size of my thumb.
Probably says it near the bar.
One tall person's thumb. It doesn't matter. Here's the barcode.
Half of it.
Screenshot it. Okay. No, but basically the boost travels up this pipe, hits the diverter, and when you create suction in a boost line system, it creates air baffling sounds, which creates the flutter sound instead of it going back in the intake. It does kind of stall out your boost in between shifts, but it sounds badass, and I think it's cool because, you know,
Performance.
I mean, I'm hitting 18 right now, so who cares? Right?
Fuel lines are ready to blow open though.
Shut up.
Literally, I'm like, dude, these are really bad. We should do something. Dude, these are terrible.
It's okay.
You should replace that. That was freaking.
So yeah, that's how you make your turbo flutter. Basically a $4 mod. We don't recommend it because you can put stress on the bearings on your turbo, but back to the other shit we were doing, right?
I got